Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube one layer. I'm going to show you my hand tricks today. See, I'm going to scramble first. I will make the Rubik's Cube with my eyes closed. First I will look at the cube and then I will choose a color. Now I choose color white. I will close my eyes and solve it. Here is a white. I have opened my eyes and I will show you my tricks. Here is a white. Here I will do this and then here we go. No white here. Go back. I am looking for a white. White is here, right? I am finished. So my tricks are, when the Rubik cubes is like this, it's easy. You take this white and put it here. You take this white and put it here, and then take the other white, put it here, and then there is white here, and then you put them all to the white. Here we go. It's easy. Now I am solving color blue. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm finished. My tricks are, when you see the Rubik's Cube is like this, you just solve it like this. Subscribe channel. I'm finished. No. Guys, I'll tell you something. You should subscribe to our channel. Don't watch and just leave. Please subscribe. I'm going to show you more tricks some other day. Subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment.